Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or enable dark mode in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write unlimited elements for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see unlimited elements and then you see widget, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then you see categories. Now select button widget. Now you see pro and free version here. Now find here dark mode. Now you see dark mode, so click on install first. Now installing. Now dark mode widget install. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page. Now in search widget write here dark. Now you see dark mode, so drag and drop here. Now you see widget edit, so you can set animation speed, button horizontal position, button vertical position, so you can do setting according to requirement. If you want you can change button icon. Now you see dark mode, mix color, background. Also you see auto match, OS theme, do not affect images. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now click on style. Now you see button size, dark color, color light, border radius, inactive, active color scheme. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see button icon and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. And then you see dark mode. So click on it. Now you see. Again click on it. So in this way you can add dark mode on Elementor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.